chromatography. This is the last method of purification of organic compound for your syllabus. It is very important technique in the industries, especially in the pharmaceutical industries, cosmetic industries. Okay, in the whole chemistry, chromatography is very wide application in the field of industries. Okay, it is comes from the Greek word chromatography. Okay, chromo means color. Chromo, it refers to color, and graphy refers to write. Graphy refers to write. Get it? Graphy refers to write, or in continuous tense, writing. Okay, this is about the chromatography. Is comes from two Greek words, that is chromo and graphy. Chromo means color and graphy means writing. This chromatography is very important and useful technique used to separate a mixture of compounds. Okay, mixture of compounds into its components. It is containing more than 2 types of compounds or 3 types of compound. We can separate it by through the chromatography into its individual compounds, separating. Okay, or separate compounds. And also it is to check the purity of the compound. It is well and good method, and can purify the method also, and purify the compounds also, and to check the purity of compounds also, and to separate the compounds also. It is very good and important method. Okay, then means it is used to purify, or it is used to separate. It is used to separate mixture of compounds into individual compounds. Get it? Mixture of compounds into its individual compounds. Mixture of compounds into individual or separate. Okay, mixture of components into individual components. And also it is checked to purify the purity of the compound, and also to check purity of compounds. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Get it? In this chromatography, we are using 2 phases. One is stationary phase and mobile phase. What it means stationary phase? Stationary means steady phase. It does not move or it does not vary. It is a fixed phase. We call it as stationary phase. Commonly we are used the stationary phase. It is silica gel or alumina plate anta nandu tagoltivi, alumina foil anta nandu karitivi, or alumina anta kuda kariteve. Gottagidya? This stationary phase, whether it may be solids or liquid. And mobile phase, it is a movement phase. Okay, mobile phase, it is a movement phase. That in that the mixture of solvent is there. Okay, in the mobile phase, we are adding solvent. No, that is a mixture of solvent is there. In the mobile phase, we are adding to that. Okay, and also mobile phase, whether it may be solids, not solids, liquids or gaseous components we are taking in the mobile phase. Get it? Okay, we discussed the point in that in the second chromatography. In this method, the mixture has to be in this method. Mixture which has to be separated. In this method, mixture which has to be separated. ಏನು ನಾವು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ we are placed in the stationary phase. Okay, which has to be separated is applied to stationary phase. Already you know stationary phase ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Whether it may be silica gel or ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯೋಫೈಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಾ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ಫೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ದಟ್ mobile phase is allowed to move slowly and mobile phase is allowed to move slowly on stationary phase. Get it? Move slowly on stationary phase. In that mobile phase, different type of compounds are moving different rates on the stationary phase. On the basis of movement and the basis of the substance, we are classified in the chromatography is into two classes. That is, one is adsorption chromatography. Other one is partition chromatography. Okay, adsorption chromatography. Other one is partition chromatography. We are going to discuss one by one. Partition chromatography. Get it? The name only indicates that adsorption chromatography. Adsorption chromatography means adsorb ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. adsorbate ಇರುತ್ತೆ, adsorbent ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, adsorption chromatography. Okay, adsorption chromatography. In that adsorption chromatography, based on the fact that different compounds are adsorbed on the different rates and the stationary phase are on the adsorbent. Okay, adsorbent, that is stationary phase, that is, you know, silica gel or alumina. Okay, it is the adsorbent. This is the surface what we are applying that coat on the surface, that is adsorbent. To that adsorbent we are putting the adsorbate. Okay, adsorbate means mobile phase. Adsorbate ಅಂದ್ರೆ mobile phase. Get it? Okay, here adsorbate it is mobile phase. We are dropping adsorbate on the adsorbent, that is, it may be silica gel or alumina. What happened? It is a mixture of solvent. Okay, it is a mixture. What happens? I am putting on the adsorbent, that is silica gel or alumina file. The different components, the different individual components are moving in the different rates. Get it? Different compounds are moving in the different rates. ಒಂದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ adsorbent. Okay, the rates of moving also depends. Get it? Okay, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ, that is adsorbate on adsorbent. The different components are varying in the different in the length. Get it? That is the main principle in adsorption chromatography. Okay, in this adsorption chromatography we are again classified into two types. One is, that is column chromatography. Other one is thin layer chromatography. First we are going to discuss column chromatography. Now column chromatography na first to discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ.